fight and make love at the same time.
I will figure out.
Morning. Today is Tuesday the 9th. I didn't vlog this morning because it was chaos. I'm working today, as you can see. Dan is also working today, so he dropped me off. But then Levi's school, they called and said that we have to come get the kids because of the weather. The weather is literally shitty today, so they want us to come get them. So now I have to go back home to go get Levi and work from home or take the day off or something like that. I don't know which one I'm going to do, but we'll figure it out. But yeah. Husband is here. Look at him. Baby, are you in a meeting?
No, I'm done. Hello.
Yeah, we are home from work. I need to make dinner. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I need to make dinner. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. It is currently 5:49. You want to say hi? Okay. I'll probably make mashed potato for you guys and give him egg with it. But for us, I don't know what the adults are going to eat. But I go figure out.
I've been gone for too long, in a faraway land, trying to find my way in, searching for where I did belong, coming up with a plan, somewhere I can begin. Memories of my
Mom mat. If their uniform is not dirty, save it quickly and use it for the next day.
been around the world all this time, still couldn't match how we felt.
I told you guys that I'm the clumsiest person ever. I cut my hand.
You mean that's not your hand, that's your finger, though.
My finger. I cut my finger.
Men don't support in the house. Men don't do this. Men don't do that. Look at me. Perfect example.
I don't know if you guys can see photos.
Helping the wife.
Yep.
After the wife has been predisposed due to medical emergency.
Yeah, no medical emergency.
The husband steps in,
Save the day.
cutting like Chef Ramsay.
Chef Ramsay come. Chef Thomas.
I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home.
So we're going to open our package. They are batteries. I bought new batteries for the camera and I bought hairnet. This is for when I want to do my sew-ins. So second package. Yeah, I remember that my camera, that my small camera. This is the charger. I'm so excited. And then I bought a book. I'm going to try and read the book. So I bought this book so that I can read this year. Yes, Levi. So it's called The Atomic Habits. Yes. It's late, Levi. It's late for candy. It's 8:20. So I'm going to try and read a book. That's why I got this. So that's the packages for today. we are about to go to bed and shower Levi and put him to sleep. So yeah, yes, Levi. Go sit down. Okay. Show them your fireman. Fireman. Clumsy. Fireman. Say good night. Good night. Hi y'all. Happy Friday. Today is Friday the 12th and it's currently 5:12 p.m. I didn't start the vlog in the morning. Today I've been not a lot, to be honest. I woke up late, started work late. I didn't go to work today. I work from home. So I started work late. Dan took Levi to school in the morning, dressed him up, did all that while I was sleeping. So I didn't start work really early today. So I've been working like non-stop. So we just went to get Levi. Levi is back there, but this kitchen area, everything's a mess. You can see my cooker. I already sprayed stuff on it because I want to start cleaning the sink full of plates. So we have a ton of stuff to do. This thing needs to live here. I need to figure out what I need to do. I plan on giving it to somebody, but I have not been able to go to that side where the person is, like the side of town where the person is. So it's just sitting here and it's beginning to annoy me. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, I got back my first video from the editing team. Chef's kiss. If you're watching this video and you haven't watched that one, because it is up, for you to be watching this video means the video that I'm talking about is already up. So go watch it. I need to go get microfiber towels from upstairs so I can clean this. I need to take this downstairs. This used to be my jewelry case. Let me ask her why she wants it. Do you want this jewelry case? I'm going to try it, but I don't know if you wanted them. If you this one and this one.
There's no way for me to put it now, and it's actually very useful, but where am I going to put it?
It is very useful. The problem with mine is the jar is too big for my jar. So every time, even on the counter, I used to use it on the counter, but then that was like not, it didn't look aesthetic. So, and then this one's too. If you want them, I've been holding on to them that I'm going to find use for it, but this year I don't want to hold on to stuff. I want to trash it.
So you don't want to ask me about body problem?
No. I don't know if it's just me, but I can't wash plates without organizing it. I need to organize it. Cups, spoons, pots, plates, dishes, bowls. I need to organize it. Empty the sink, wash the sink, and then start washing plates. Remember that I cut my hand the other day, so I put a band-aid on it since that day. So now that I wash plates, it's kind of coming off, so I'm going to take it off. It doesn't hurt like before anymore, but that's how it looks like. I don't know if I showed what I'm using. This is sweeping cloth. I get this from Aldi, but that's what I use. Instead of using paper towel, I use this because this you can rinse, use. It does a pretty good job in scrubbing.
come give me what you're. Give me that. Give it to me.
So what's mine?
Come take Dodo.
Hello. He no, what do you need?
Come take Dodo.
Oh, he don't. No, he don't.
Okay.
Oh, eat it.
Eat Dodo. Eat some Dodo. Today is Saturday the 13th and it is currently 9:36. We
Go with
are
the mother toy.
grocery shopping.
Go with the toy.
So
Yeah.
we're going to go get some African food because we have run out of so many things. So that's what we're doing today. And then when I come back, I will have to cook. Not much cleaning happens today because the majority of cleaning that I do, that I'm willing to do, already did. Yes, I am currently at. This is like a warehouse African store kind of vibe. Hi. So it's called Denko. But yeah, going to do some shopping and then get back to you guys. We are back home from grocery shopping and we have to put everything back. You see all the groceries. We stopped at Costco too, so some things are from Costco, so we have to put those things in their respective areas. For the croissants, I always put half in a bowl and put it in the freezer because we can't finish this in a week and it will just get bad. So I put half of this in the freezer and then we eat half. Mostly Levi eats half because Levi eats the croissants. Am I the only one? But I am addicted to drinking stuff from a straw. Like even if it's from here or anything, I need to put a straw because everything just tastes better when you drink from a straw. Why is my face so ashy?
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the day to my night.
For these baskets, I'm just going to unload it because my husband said we should. And then I would gift them some things. I was supposed to give this to someone. It was a gift to me, so.
Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Oh my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go go make magic.
A few moments later.
Levi, you're licking your kata.
Say you go with. It's the boys' club. It's the boys' club.
Okay.
All you can do is help us clean. That's it.
What is wrong with you?
22 right now. What are you talking about? Yeah? You're done? Good job. It's the boys' club, huh?
Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, the 14th. It's 11:47. I didn't go to church. I and Levi didn't go to church. Today we watched church from home. But Dan went to church. My husband is a morning person, so if he wakes up in the morning, he's going to do what he wants. I am trying to feed Levi. He already had breakfast, but no, we're using cup. So he wants some orange juice, so I'm going to give him that. Today we need to do a lot of stuff. Actually, tomorrow there's no work. There's public holiday tomorrow, so tomorrow is Martin Luther King's birthday, so we're celebrating. But today we need to prep food for the week. I need to juice. I bought some things that I want to juice, and I need to juice them. I bought a box of yam yesterday, so I need to cut it and put it in cold water and freeze it so it doesn't get bad. Make food, of course, like we need to eat. We're fasting though, but like when we break, we need to eat, right? My video came back, so I'm going to upload that. I'm so excited. Today is Sunday. Today is the last day of this week's vlog, so hopefully I'm able to film more stuff, because this week was not a lot. Like I said, like if it's a work week, there won't be much. Next week will be better because he has birthdays next week, so there'll be a lot of fun. I need to do my nails. I might do it today. If not, I'll do it tomorrow. So depending on if I do it or not, it might be in this vlog or next week's vlog. But yeah.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more.
Alright, so it is time for me to make the juices that I talked about. Yeah, I've been on my feet for like 4 hours now, but we need to do it. Mission must be accomplished.
Babe, give me some to work with. Can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength.